Some plants can be split by removing the offshoots which start to emerge around the plant and from the base. This is a Musa carpa in a pot, and you can see it's got lots of young leaves which are new offshoots. So this plant would benefit from splitting. We had two plants like this. One of them I split yesterday, and as you can see the results are here. These are the offshoots which have been split from the main plant and have now been potted up and are growing on. Some plants, like the Musa carpa, benefit from being split, and it's a good time to do this in the autumn. You can do that with a Strelitzia as well, and also a Phormium and the Astelia. Here you can see with the Astelia, this is a silver spear. It's got lots of offshoots which you can split the plant, and you'll have lots of young plants growing on. And today I'm going to split this one because we grow these for Chelsea, and as it is, it doesn't look particularly great, and I think it will benefit from being split. Okay. What you take is a splitting shovel, which is a bit sharper, and you just place it in between two offshoots. So when you make the split, there's enough roots on this section of the plant, and there's enough roots on this section of the plant for both parts to grow independently from each other. And you just take your heel and just start to drive the spade down through the plant. So there we go. We've got a nice new young plant which I'm going to pot on, and that should grow on nicely over the next 6 months, and it might make something substantial for the shows this year.